patients are suffering with the migraine. Migraines means, as you might have idea about it, half headache, which is basically caused due to the dilatation of the blood vessels, may cause a deficiency in the red blood cell supply to that particular brain part. If in order to prevent that migraine, we have one parameter in order to prevent the migraine. We can activate the 5-HT1B1D receptor, which is located in the brain. When we activate 5-HT1B1D receptor, ultimately it causes the constriction in the blood vessels, and it may lead to increase in the blood pressure. And whenever the blood pressure is increases, in that particular area, the patient will get the relief of that half headache, that is nothing but the migraine. And from that study I came to know that I have to formulate such a thing which might be helpful for that billions of people. And no such a formulation has been established yet. There are so many film-coated tablets, but I formulate specially controlled release matrix tablet. And what is the benefit of that tablet instead of conventional dosage form? It shows more duration of action instead of conventional dosage form. So in the introduction, as we already got everything about the why I formulate this medication particularly, why there is a need of that formulation. Yes, this point also I got clear. It avoids the first pass metabolism. If I talk about the normal conventional dosage form, it shows the first pass metabolism. In the liver there is a HMG coenzyme A reductase, and which absorb the cholesterol. Whenever the lipid soluble drug is there now, it can be absorbed by the liver and it metabolizes before it is going to reaches into the systemic circulation. And what is the benefit of the controlled drug release dosage form? It having the hydrophilic matrix and it protect the actual API.